Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite, and this business credit funding tip is going to talk a little bit more about how you can increase the value of your business by building business credit. So look, if you could buy a business, one of two, and the business had been around for 5 years and was the same in every way, except that business A has no credit profile and score established and isn't being recommended for any credit from Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, Experian, or company B, which has 10 accounts reporting on its business credit reports, an excellent business credit profile and score, 52,000 in available credit that you could use for growth, and is being recommended for another 42,000 from Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. If given these two choices, it's a no-brainer that companies B is going to be the greater value. Look, anybody that's bought or sold a business will tell you the importance of building business credit. And it's extremely important considering how excessively easy it is. See, anybody can access your business credit reports and scores without your permission, with as little as your business name and your business address. So because it's so easy to obtain your business credit, well, if you were a buyer of your business, if you were somebody interested in doing business with you, wouldn't you look at the business credit report? Would you want to buy a company when you see nothing on the business credit report? Would you want to buy your own business from what you see on your business credit report? Is the company established? Does it look like you pay your bills? Does it look like a successful company? If you've looked at your business credit report, these are things that you're going to want to ask. Would you buy your own business? Does it look like you're established? Does it look like you have a history of paying your bills? Because again, anybody that's going to be interested in investing money or buying your business is going to take this exact step and answer these exact questions. So if you're looking to get the most value out of your business, you really want to focus on building your business credit, because potential buyers are going to want you to have large amounts of available credit, a good profile and score, and a great pristine reputation. All those things can be established when you establish your business credit. So grab our free 4-step business credit building guide at creditsuite.com/tips, and feel free to give us a ring with any questions you have along the way at 877-600-2487, or visit us online at creditsuite.com.